keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hello, dear students. Today we will learn the topic in English grammar, which is called as articles. An article is a word that defines a noun as specific or unspecific. There are two types of articles. First, definite article, which is the. Second, indefinite articles, a, an. Example sentences for articles: they set up a tent and softened the floor. You can see what are the words which are highlighted: a and the. Second sentence: Delhi is the capital of India. So here the article is the. Now let us learn how the definite article the is used. First, it is used with superlative forms. For example, he is the most intelligent student in the class. Second, it is used with specific or definite objects. For example, the Amazon, here it is the Amazon River, the sun. Third, the article the is used with nouns as adjectives. For example, the elderly. Now, this elderly refers to the elder people. So, we can use the article the. The young, the unemployed. Unemployed stands for people who have no jobs, people who have lost their jobs. And the young stands for the young people, the youth. The is also used for names of the countries. For example, the United States of America. Now, how come the article the is used here? So, if the is used for countries, can we say the India? No. But we can say the Indian states. Okay? The Indian here, Indian becomes the adjective. Same way, United States, it's telling us about America. It is also used, the article the is also used with ordinal numbers. Now, you have cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. And against it, we have 1 stands for first, 2 is second, 3 is third. So these are the ordinal numbers. For example, the Second World War. So along with the word second, we can use the article the. The first chapter. It is used with, the article the is used with titles of people. When a title is used without a name, we use the article the. For example, the president. So here we do not say the name of the person, the name of the president. It's just said the president. The president addressed the nation. We don't have to say the name. The queen. When a title is used with a name, the isn't used. The article the is not needed. If you write the name, like for example, if you say Queen Elizabeth, so there is no need of saying the Queen Elizabeth. So if the name is there, you do not use the article the. The is also used as a part of a larger group. For example, one of the students. Second example, none of the students. From the larger group, we pick out one, and therefore it's either one of the students or none of the students. We now learn what is an indefinite article. Indefinite articles are a and an. These articles are used to refer to something for the first time. When we talk about something for the first time, indefinite articles are used. And if you talk about the same thing for the second time, then the definite article the is used to refer it. For example, they now had a new winter home. The home was complete with a fireplace. You can clearly see in the sentence. First, the indefinite article is used, a new winter home. And then it is said about the same home, and therefore the particular home, and therefore the article the is used. Indefinite articles use depending on the first letter of the word. They are used which depending on the first letter of the word following the article. Let me make it clear to you. We use the article a before a word beginning with a consonant. Now, do you know what is a consonant? Okay, we'll learn about it in the next sentence. And use the article an before a word beginning with a vowel. Now, what is a consonant and what is a vowel? Let us learn it. You know, students, there are 26 alphabets. From A to Z, there are 26 alphabets. And out of these 26 alphabets, A, E, I, O, and U. Yes, you guessed it right. They are vowels. So how many vowels there are? 5. A, E, I, O, U. So from the 26, if you minus 5, the remaining 21 alphabets are called as consonants. So A is used for consonants before a consonant, and an, the article an, is used before a vowel. Now here there is an exception rule. In the articles, here there is an exception rule. It is the sound and not the spelling that decides whether an indefinite article is used. For example, unique. Now, if you look at this word unique, it begins with the letter U, and U is a vowel letter, isn't it? So, as the normal rule says, that if a vowel letter is used into the word, we make use of the article an. So, can we say an unique? If you look at the word unique, though it begins with a vowel letter, the sound of Y is more stressed upon. U. So that means it has a Y sound. Yeah, unique. And as it is said, it is the sound that matters, and therefore the article A is used before this word since it begins with a consonant sound. Y is a consonant and therefore we can use the article a. Similarly, a unicorn, an X-ray. Now if you look at the word X-ray, the letter X is written here. After an, it is the letter is X, but the word has an A sound, and A means a vowel letter, and therefore it is an X-ray photo. A university professor. So let us once again focus on this rule. It is the sound and not the spelling that matters when we make use of a definite or an indefinite article. Now, given here is an exercise. You have to fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. And where there is no article needed, you can put a cross sign. So students, go through this exercise and look at the words, look at the articles which are highlighted, and practice the same. We come to the end of the lesson. I hope you have understood. Thank you.